Welcome back. Today I will discuss about relation and function. In relation function, topic first order pair. Two numbers A and B listed in a specific order and enclosed in parenthesis form. It is denoted by order pair A, B. By interchanging the position of component of order, first component, second component. If order will be changed, thus order pair also will be changed. So A B not equal to BA. Equality of two order pair. If we have AB is equal to CD, so in equality first component equal to first component of second order. So A is equal to C and B is equal to D. A is equal to C and B is equal to D. Cartesian product of two set. Let A and B be two non-empty sets. Then the Cartesian product of A and B is the set denoted by A cross B, Cartesian of all order pair A, B, such that A belong to set of A and B belong to set of B. So A cross B is equal to AB such that element of A belong to set of B and element of B belong to B, or first component belong to A and second component belong to B. If A is equal to phi, A is empty set and B is not empty set, we define A cross B, Cartesian product of A cross B is equal to phi. Remarks, we noted that if number of set A is equal to P and number of set B is equal to Q, then Cartesian product of number A, B is equal to P into Q. Also, number of Cartesian product B cross A also P into Q. Second, if at least one of A and B is infinite, then A cross B also infinite. So B cross A will also infinite. Order triplet. Three numbers A, B and C listed in any specific order and enclosed in parenthesis form an order pair triplet A, B, C. Thus 1, 2, 3 not equal to 2, 1, 3 not equal to 3, 2, 1. For any non-empty set A, we define A cross A cross A cross A cross A cross A cross A. So A, B, C such that A, B, C belong to set of A. Relation, let A, B be two non-empty set, then A relation R, that a relation R from A to B is a subset of A cross B, then a relation R from A to B is subset of A cross B. Thus, R is a relation from A to B. R is relation A from A to B, then R subset of A cross B. If AB belong to R, we say that A is related to B. We can write ARB, ARB, first component and second component. If AB belong to R, then A is not related to B. We can write A does not related to B. Domain, let R be a relation from A to B, then R subset of A cross B. First, set of all first coordinate of element of R is called domain of R. Retain domain R. Domain, first, the set of all first component of coordinate of the element of R is called domain of R. Written as domain R. And second part, the set of all second coordinate of the element of R is called range of R, denoted by range bracket R. The set B is called the codomain of R. Thus, domain R is equal to first component of set such that AB subset of R and range R B such that AB belong to R, and second component known as range. Arrow diagram. Let R be a relation from A to B, then we draw two bounded figure to denote A and B. We put dots to represent the element of A and B. For each AB belong to R, we draw an arrow from A to B. Set A and set B represent in circle element A represent dot and set of B element B represent dot. So relation A to B, so A to B, and binary relation on A set. Let A be a non-empty set, then every subset of A cross A is called a relation on A. Remarks, first is phi subset of A cross B, so phi is relation on A called empty or void relation. Second part, since A cross A subset of A cross A, so A cross A is a relation on A set A called universal relation on A. And third part, let identity set of identity, so A first component and also second component A belong to A. So then clearly identity set of identity subset of A cross A, and therefore it is a relation on set A called identity relation on A. Various type of relation. Let A be a non-empty set, then a relation R on a set A is said to be first reflexive if A belong to R. For all element of A belong to set of A, so that is A or A relation to A for all A belong to A. And also symmetric if AB belong to R, imply that BA belong to R. For all AB belong to R, that is A or B, imply that B or A. So for all AB belong to A. Transitive if AB belong to R and BC belong to R, imply that AC belong to R. For all ABC belong to A. Equivalence relation. A relation which is reflexive, symmetric and transitive is called equivalence relation. Function. Let A be two non-empty sets, then a relation F from A to B. Let A be two non-empty set, then a relation F from A to B is called a function. If every element of A has unique image in B, every element of set A has unique image in B, and we can write a mapping F from A to B. Thus, a relation F from A to B is a function if domain F is equal to set of A, and no two distinct order pair if function have the same first coordinate. No two distinct order pair in a function have the same first coordinate if A, B belong to F. We can write F A function A is equal to B. Here B is called image of A. B is called image of A under F. B is called image of A under F, and A is called pre-image to B. A is called the pre-image to B. If function F from A to B, then domain F is equal to A and range F subset of B. Types of function. Types of function. First, identity function. The function F from R to R, Fx is equal to x. X for all x belong to R is called an identity function R on R. Domain F is equal to R and range also is equal to R. Second, constant function. Let C be a fixed real number. Then the function f from R to R, fx is equal to c. Function is equal to c for all x belong to R is called constant function. For the constant function, fx is equal to c. This is constant function. For all x belong to R, we have domain f is equal to R and range is equal to c. C is real number. And third, polynomial function. A function of the form fx is equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x square plus dot dot an x power n, where x is non-negative integer. X is non-negative integer and a0, a1, a2, a3 dot dot an belong to R is called a polynomial function. Fourth, rational function. The function of the type fx upon gx, where fx and gx are polynomial function of x defined in domain where gx is not equal to 0. And fifth, the modulus function. Let a function R to R, fx is equal to modulus x, mod of x for each x belong to R, and also written as in form fx is equal to modulus of x. Mod of x is equal to when x greater than 0, then function fx is equal to x, and when x less than 0, then fx is equal to minus x. We have that x greater than 0 for all x belong to R. Domain f is equal to R and range f is equal to set of all non-negative real number. 6. The Sinum function. The function f from R to R, fx when x greater than 0, so fx is equal to 1, and x is equal to 0, so fx is equal to 0, and x is equal to x less than 0, then fx is equal to minus 1. So it is called Sinum function. Clearly that domain f is equal to R and range of function is equal to 1, 0, minus 1. Greatest integer function, a step function. If x belong to R, then the greatest integer not exceeding x, then greatest integer not exceeding x denoted by greatest function greater bracket x in greater bracket. That is, for example, greatest 2.01. So greatest number 2 and 2.9. So greatest value of this 2 and 2.99. So greatest value 2 and minus 1.3. So greatest value minus 2 and greatest value of 3 is equal to 3. So in fact we have greatest function x is equal to minus 2 when minus 2 less than or equal to x less than minus 1. So close function and open interval, so minus 2 minus 1. And also greatest function fx is equal to -1 when -1 less than or equal to x less than 0, and 0 when fx is equal to 0 when 0 less than or equal to x less than 1, and when 1 less than or equal to x value of x running 1 equal or less than 2, 1 and 2, and 2 when 2 less than or equal to x less than 3, so on. Let f from R to R such that fx is the greatest function, then this function range of domain f is equal to R and range set of all integer of given function, and operation of function. Let x such that R x subset of R, then various operation on function and define below for sum of two real function. Let f from R to R and g from R to R, then f plus g both addition of two function such that x from R to R f plus g x, so fx and gx for all x belong to x. Second, difference of two real function. Let f R to R and g x R to R, then f minus g x to R, so f minus g x is equal to fx minus gx function for all x belong to x. Third, scalar multiplication of a set A function. Let f from x to R and let alpha be the scalar, then alpha f such that x to R alpha f x alpha f x for all x belong to x, and multiplication of two real function. Let f x to R and g x to R, then f z such that x to R, so f c x fx into gx for all x belong to x, and quotient of two real function. Let f such that x to R and g x to R for all x for which gx not equal to 0, so gx not equal to 0, then f by g such that x to R f by g x, so fx upon gx, and gx not equal to 0. So some important definition of relation and function, learn it by heart. Thanks.